everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a Black Friday haul. Now, don't judge me, I know it looks like a lot, but some things were Christmas presents, some were birthday presents. Also, a lot of things came in 2 separate bags for some reason, I don't know why. I also got very good deals on a ton of these things, so it was a lot cheaper than it looks, I promise. Also, I will be having links for pretty much everything that I can find in the description. First package I'm gonna do is from Cotton On. It is a tiny bit open. That is because I got something for my mom for her birthday, which already passed. I wanted to do this haul way earlier, but since I did all of my Black Friday shopping online, everything took kind of a while to come in, but I did not look at anything else. I only grabbed her birthday present. First thing I got from Cotton On, I got a pair of jeans. I have really been needing some dark jeans, so I got these black ones. They have just some rips in the knee. They're also long. These are called the long straight leg. Fun fact, Cotton On jeans are my favorite jeans of all time. They fit amazing, specifically the stretch straight leg jeans. If you are looking for some good jeans that are really comfortable but also flattering, go buy the straight stretch jeans. I think that's what they're called. These are the long straight jeans. They're not as comfortable, but they're still really cute. So I hope these fit. Next up, wait a second. These are literally the jeans that I was just talking about. So these are the straight stretch jeans, or no, straight stretch jean. That's what they're called. Like I said, I will have them linked down below. They have a bunch of other colors of these too. Some of them also have rips if you wanted that. Highly recommend these. So that is everything I got at Cotton On. Next up, this is very on brand for me. I got a case from Wildflower Cases. This is not a surprise to any of you guys, I'm sure. They released 2 new cases, so I got one of them. I got the crazy pink checkers case. I think that's what it's called. Oh my gosh, how cute. There's a little card in here. That's adorable. Ooh, they give me some good stickers. If you didn't know, they include some stickers with every order, and these ones are so cute. Okay, now onto the actual case. I'm gonna put it on my phone right now. Here's what the case looks like. It's just this like weird checkered print. It's like red and pink kind of, or it's like hot pink. I feel like it looked more red on their website for some reason, but I still love it. I have the vintage denim one on my phone right now in case you're wondering. Like I said, I will have links down below. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Very excited about this case. Okay, next up, let's do a small business one. So this is from my friend Alexis. She has a small business. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's called By Lex, and she has the cutest jewelry. This came in probably like a week ago, and I have wanted to open it so bad, but I knew I wanted to save it for this haul so that I could show you guys how cute her jewelry is. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, she packaged it like with like fall stuff. This is totally my fault for opening it late, but this is so cute. Here's the first little box. There's more stuff in here. And the second one, oh my gosh, she included a note. I'm about to start tearing up. I'm speechless. This note was so sweet. Okay, let's get into the jewelry. She is so kind for sending me these. Please go support her small business. I will have the link down below. I've said that a million times in this video. Look at the cute little stickers that she includes. Here's the first one, and then here is the second one. These are so cute. First up, we have this little like lock and key necklace. This one is so cute. Next, we have this little heart locket. I actually have the ring version of this, and I wanted to get the matching necklace because I'm obsessed with the ring. I'm obsessed with this one too. It's a little lock. I have been wanting this one for so long. I love this one too. This little like cherub, I think that's what they're called, or like a little like angel. Oh my gosh, she sent me silver and gold. She's so nice. She sent me this cherry necklace, which is so cute. I have some cherry earrings too, so now I can match them. She sent me this chain. I'm definitely gonna be using this to like layer a bunch of necklaces together. That's what I'm planning on doing with a lot of these. And then this little dice necklace that is just so cute. I've been eyeing that one for a while too, actually. Oh, she sent more stickers. These are so cute. How many times have I said that? I need to find some new words to use instead of cute. She sent this little box. Let's see. I think there's probably a ring in here. She sent the little matching heart lock ring. I'm gonna put this on right now. And here's her business card in case you guys were interested. Thank you so much, Alexis, for sending me these things. I love you so much. You guys, please go check out By Lex. She has the cutest jewelry. Link down below. Next up, let's do Old Navy. They were having some really good deals. They sent me 2 separate packages, so I'm not sure what's even in this one, even though it was all one order. Ooh, okay, it looks like these are the leggings that I got. I finally got a pair of yoga pants. I am so grateful that these came back into style because they're just so comfortable. I also am not like a huge fan of the way that like regular leggings look on me, but I am obsessed with the look of like flared pants, so I got some yoga pants. Next up, let's do the other Cotton On package. First thing is not for me, so I'm not gonna open these. These are PJs, they're for my mom. But this is what I'm excited about. Like I said earlier, cotton on jeans are my favorite thing in the entire world. I already spent so long talking about the different styles, but I have the straight stretch jean and the long straight leg jean. Those are the only two styles I've owned from them, so I decided to try another style. I don't know yet if I recommend these, but I probably will. We'll see if they look good when I try them on. You guys can be the judge of that. These are the bootleg jeans. Like I just mentioned, I love the look of like flared pants. I also really like the color of these. Just for reference, in all of my cotton on jeans, I get a size 2. I am 5'2", so you guys can see how the length is on me. I have very short legs, so even the long straight jeans that I was telling you guys about probably won't even be that long on anyone else. I am just extremely short. Okay, next thing I'm gonna open is viral on TikTok. I really lucked out with these because I've heard that they're sold out now. I'm sure you guys have all seen this video, and I know I mentioned earlier I don't love the way that like regular fitting leggings look on me. Everyone says that they are so flattering and very comfortable, so I got some along with a matching sports bra. I'm gonna open the sports bra first. So here is the sports bra. They kind of got me when I was at checkout because they recommended this matching sports bra and it was on sale for very cheap because it was Black Friday. Plus I think I had gotten an extra discount for some reason. This order was just like extremely cheap. The two things together were less than the regular price of these leggings, so I definitely lucked out. So this is the sports bra that I got. Now let's open the leggings. Oh, this material, I was not expecting that. Very, very different from the ones that I got from Old Navy. These are like a really thick material. These are more how I would imagine Lululemon leggings feel, even though I've never owned a pair. So that might be completely wrong, but I'm assuming this is how they feel because I've heard that these leggings are really tiny when they're not on. Like, look how weird they look. But when you put them on, they're really stretchy and they're really comfy. So again, I don't know if I recommend these yet, but I probably will. You guys will see them in the try on portion and you can be the judge of that. Next up, I'm gonna do the rest of the Old Navy order, which is PJs, which I'm so excited about. Oh yeah, these are so cute. I got 2 pairs of PJ pants because I've been needing some more. Here's what the first pair looks like. It's just like pink with snowflakes on it. And here is what the second pair looks like. I feel like everyone owns a pair of these, but for some reason I just never have. And I don't know why. I really like them. They're just like the classic Christmas PJs, I feel like. So I finally got a pair. That is, I think, everything. Also, I just remembered, I want to throw this out there. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I also love Glossier. I thought about getting some of their stuff. I don't know why I didn't. I should have ordered more of this. It's one of the bomb.coms. Their lip balm is amazing, especially the mint one. I have like almost every flavor, but I'm running out of the mint, which is the one that I use every day. I keep it on my nightstand and I always use it like before bed and everything, and it's amazing. The reason that I'm telling you guys this is because I know that they're doing a bunch of like fun little cute sets for Christmas. They're just like little gifts that you can get people for the holidays that they just came out with. So that is an idea if you need to get someone something for Christmas. This is not at all sponsored, but I do have a link that you can use for 10% off. It's just my refer a friend link. Anyone can get these. So if you guys use the link, you get 10% off and I get a small credit. So that's always fun. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but you will get 10% off if you do. But I think that just about wraps up this video. Again, links in the description if you want anything. But yeah, I'm sorry this Black Friday haul is so late, but I figured better late than never. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you watched up until this point, make sure to comment down below the present emoji. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications. You can also follow me on my socials if you want to. So I think I covered everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.